Hello everyone, so here we are making a flower bouquet. For that, first we are making the body of the flower pot with blue color, and then we are making flower designs by using this brush. Here we are using pink color. You can use any color you want, and then we are detailing it with black and light pink color, and then we are drawing the stems of this flower pot. After that, you can see a cute and beautiful flower pot is ready. Next, by using green color, we are making some long stems, and then above that, using some purple color, we are painting some flowers. You can see how cute they are looking. Now detail it with light purple color and use some white color to give it effect, and then your cute scenery is ready. Next, using a brush, first we are making grass. After that, by using empty roll, we are making circles and coloring the flowers. Now we are completing the flowers by making petals on it with yellow color, and then we are detailing the flowers with some brown color, as you can see, and then we are drawing the stems and the leaves with dark green color. Now you can detail the scenery as much as you want, and it is ready. Next, on a plain white sheet, we are painting the flowers with pink and yellow color. After that, we are making a flower with light purple and yellow. Then using dark purple, you can use as many colors as you want, and then we are completing the drawing by stems and leaves. Now it is ready. Now on a plain white sheet, first we are drawing some circles with yellow and pink and blue color with the sponge, as you can see, and then with the same sponge we are making the middle part of the flowers, and then we are detailing it like this, and then by using dark green color and light green color we are making the stem and the leaves of these flowers, and our flower pot is ready. Next, we are first making a flower pot by using pink paint, and then we are just making some stems out of it. After that, we are drawing some flowers with dark blue and light blue color, as you can see. You can use any color you want. After that, we are taking green color and completing the drawing by making some leaves kind of structure on it, and you can see your drawing is ready. Next, with green paint, we are making the stems. After that, we are taking purple color and a bit of light purple to make these flowers. After that, we are making the leaves of this drawing by using some green color paint, and you can see it's ready. Next, on a plain sheet, we are using red, purple, orange, yellow, green, blue color for our flower petals, and then we are making the face of our flower, and you can see it is ready. Thanks for watching.